The first staging of the Merle Grove High Barbecue took place recently, and we have the highlights. Let's check it out.
Anki punky, anki, afala baby, and do the Yankee punky, anki punky, anki, afala baby, and do the Yankee. Welcome to the stop this. Stop this.
It's Tanamane. It's Tanamana. I see a Jamaican here, the boy. Yankee boy. So you can meticulous scrutinize and Pree Dis. Pree me teeth. Pree me watch. Not this one. Pree me socks. Pree me shoes. Excuse me. Wait! That's the best part. You're gonna fuck that. Wait! Read me through the best part. Forgot that. You got that. Let me jiggle. Let me jiggle. Jiggle like money and jiggle. Make her bend and ride it like a bicycle.
I must tell you, it has been amazing, all the love that I've been getting from the Merle Grove students. I mean, I appreciate it a lot. I enjoyed my performance. They helped me to enjoy my performance. I have Reggae Sumfest coming up. I have a lot of Caribbean shows, European tours. Just watch out for this. I shall see ya. Jiggle my body, jiggle. Make a bend them ride it like a bicycle. Why? I just touch all the basics like Clody. Pree Dis. See me, my you better bubble top. And every go in the corner, go for the land, is an empire.
Now it's over to Kevin J for this week's entertainment news.
Inside this week's E-News, legendary American singer, songwriter, and producer, 67-year-old Stevie Wonder and his girlfriend, 42-year-old Tamika Bracey, got married in Jamaica on June 17. The couple began dating 5 years ago and are parents to a 2.5-year-old daughter. Stevie has 9 children from previous relationships. This is marriage number 3 for Stevie. The producers of the smash hit movie The Intent, which aired on the Netflix channel, were in the island recently scouting talent for their next film project. Open auditions were conducted in Montego Bay. The Intent, a crime drama, was released last year.
Fix cameras, handcuffs, remanded, sweatbox.
2 Jamaican female dancehall artists recently signed endorsement deals with 2 corporate entities. Shensia is now a brand ambassador for Pepsi Jamaica, while Spice is the new brand ambassador for Speroni Moscato.
In a reverse, I lock it up, then I turn and wind.
Jamaican singer Christopher Martin and his girlfriend Brittany Newman were recently spotted vacationing in St. Lucia. The lovebirds were seen having a good time on the beach. Martin, who won Digital Rising Stars in 2005, has been dating Newman, an architecture student, since last year. And those were the stories making this week's E! News. I am Kevin J.
When we get back from the break, it's all about the Caribbean video, Thriller U, and the Magnum Top 10 chart. We'll be right back.
We a top man, we take charge. Magnum we drink and we a shell down bars. Blast like a star with some gallopar. Overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge, take charge.
We a hot gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. Hot blend, back bend, and take charge, take charge. Ready for the video, we a prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we a headline. We back, we talk, we own waistline. Cut the cart, now we ready for the wine. Take charge, take charge.
You know how we be Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place rockle. Now we turn up in a start. Take charge, take charge. Overdo it, we take it too far.
Wine with the style. Wine with the style.
Magnum tonic wine for the real star them. Take charge, take charge. Magnum.
Enter the Lucasade Summer Millionaire Promotion for a chance to win first prize, $1 million cash. Second prize, all-inclusive weekend for 4. Third prize, 40-inch flat screen TV. Buy any 3 Lucasade products. Must include 1 250 ml can. Remove labels, crush can. In an envelope, place labels and can or receipt along with your name and number. Drop in entry box in store or mail to P.O. Box 2500 CSO, Kingston. Follow us on social media and win bonus prizes. Let's drink to a winning summer with Lucasade.
Yo, Batman dog, why Pree now? Why Pree now? I'm a move now. All them a talk in the ear, them a yap. 4 corner we have badness lock. So if you want beef, try find patty shop. When we step on your block, in a black with a black. Let me tell you this, Batman dog. Girl, why we no fight that? Some boy I get stink and bright. Educated, dead rat. How you feel this world boss, you a madman. You will get poof puff.